everybody. Myself Sejal from 8th Standard Sunbeam School and College. And today we all are here to discuss reproduction in plants. First of all, the question that comes to mind is, what is reproduction? Let me define it for you. It is a biological process that helps in the survival of species. Suppose this is organism A, and with the help of organism B, he gave rise to a new individual, that is organism C. So what is he doing? They both are helping to form a new individual and to increase the species, to continue the population. Further, we shall discuss about the types of reproduction. So there are two types of reproduction, sexual and asexual. What is the meaning of sexual reproduction? Sexual reproduction means by involving both male and female. Both male and female organisms. And asexual, as from the name it suggests, without involving both. Without involving both male and female. Further, I would like to tell you about the reproduction in plants. So, for this we shall know about the parts of a plant. How many parts of a plant are there? As we know, root system and shoot system. What is the main part of a shoot system that helps in reproduction? What is it? It's a flower. Can you see this diagram? Let me tell you about the parts. See, this is the thalamus or receptacle. It attaches the plant to the stem or the branch. Further, this is sepal. Sepals are usually green in color. They protect the flower when it is still a bud. Then petals. You know, these are very colorful and they attract us. They attract the pollinators. Further, see this tube. What is this tube? This tube is style. And this is stigma. This is anther, and anther contains pollen grains that are the male gamete, and this thread-like structure is filament. These two are together termed as stamen. Now let us move to the female reproductive part, that is carpel. Carpel consists of stigma, style and ovary. Ovary contains ovule. Now, when this pollen grain that I told you is the male gamete, when this pollen grain reaches to the stigma of the same flower, then it is self-pollination. It is self-pollination. And cross-pollination, when the pollen grain from here goes to the stigma of another flower, then it is cross-pollination. Let me describe something about pollination. Pollination is the transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of a plant. This is called pollination. After pollination, pollination results in fertilization, and after fertilization, the ovary is ripened and it becomes a fruit or seed. And from there we get a new plant, and thus it helps in the continuation of plant life. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.